world's first VC DAO? Well, today we're talking about Hectagon. But before we do that, make sure to do your research, figure out this project is for you. So this project literally just launched a couple of days ago. We'll talk all about it. Obviously, we're going to talk about the world's first VC DAO. We'll talk about what that means. And of course, we'll go through all their documentation, check out all the exciting stuff on the roadmap, checking on their socials. But as always, make sure you guys are doing your research, going through the documentation yourself. I'll put all links in the description, but definitely exciting, definitely great opportunity. And it's definitely crypto's on the up and up. So it might be a good time to jump in this. But let's just jump right down now. Hectagon. So here on the website at hectagon.finance, and as you can see here, they kind of talk a little bit about this. They show what the price is. They said that on pancakeswap, if you buy it through pancakeswap, which you totally can, if you click this, you straight to pancakeswap. It will show the price, which is $10.64 as the time of this recording. But if you actually buy through the app, you get a discounted price, and I'll kind of walk you guys through the app. I connect to my wallet. I'll show you guys that. But we'll talk about what this project is about, what they're trying to do, and what really makes them unique. So it says the world's first DAO-governed Web3 venture capital funding platform for everyone, supported by our star investors. There's over 40,000 community members, 58 strategic partnerships. I always say a project isn't successful unless they have lots of partnerships. I think you really need to, expand your network, make sure that you're getting a lot of support. 160 plus Web3 projects in review, and then 389 media mentions. So a lot of people have definitely been talking about this. So let's talk about what this is all about, and then we'll talk obviously about how the token, which is Hecta, kind of plays a part in this whole entire ecosystem and what the opportunity is for you guys. So easy to use system, simply buy and hold Hecta token to contribute to Hectagon's treasury and let protocol buy private and seed tokens from promising projects. No minimum buy-in amount. Buy Hecta token using any popular tokens. An easy-to-use user interface. Again, we'll check this out. Winning investment strategy. Your contribution is run by professionals. Yeah. So obviously, there's always people out there that it's their whole entire lives to invest. They've had tons of background, and it's great that they have these people with that type of experience working on this project. So investing in private seed rounds with a strong deal pipeline, providing long-term value-added stakeholders. So it says, provide VCs a good co-invest partner who holds project tokens long-term. Incentivize professionals to join protocols investment and community to get high ROI. And then, of course, they want to make sure that you guys stay incentivized. So they said, community reward system empowers investor, community, and project portfolio to create towards mechanisms. Invest and stake Hecta token, provide value-added activities to the protocol, and project portfolio, market, community growth, design, etc. So that's kind of the rough overview on what the main things are. We'll take a deeper dive into documentation and actually jump in there together. But if you guys are interested, you can learn more about this, kind of their mentions on the website, etc. But I'll kind of jump into the app right now, and then I'll kind of jump back in to check out all this kind of stuff on the roadmap. So again, here it is on hectagon.finance, so app.hectagon.finance. Again, I'll put the link in the description. And as always, like I said, you could buy it at the market price of pancakeswap, or if you buy it through the app, you can get a discount price, and then they have a vesting time with this, which is 7 days. So it's kind of an interesting concept. I think it's actually a good idea where you get it. They do have the vesting time. So it's 7 days when you can redeem, but you get the discount. So I think it's interesting. Obviously, do your research. This is just my test wallet, so I don't have anything in here. But if you guys are interested, you can invest. They even show like a dashboard to kind of track to see what the market cap is, 1.3 million. They track the price, the starting supply, and then they show obviously how it's doing. Obviously, it's been doing really well. Again, this is just new. It's only been they launched on the 8th, so it's only been like less than 3 days. If you guys want to check out the dashboard, you guys can kind of learn more about this, kind of how it's trending. Obviously, the investing part as well. If you guys are also interested in staking, they show the current APY, which is pretty cool. 27 million APY, which currently, and then the next reward is in 2 hours and 19 minutes. And then it's 670 active based off the current price. There's showing how much has been staked already, almost $500,000 already. So that's great. So cool. Again, if you guys want to look through some of this documentation, you guys can. I'll put that link in the description as well. They kind of talk about their opportunity, what they're planning to do. Obviously, it's to help build wealth, and they kind of talk about how this relates to the stock market, etc. Again, talking more about the partnership, but let's talk about the solution. So the solution for I like how they broke it out between, this is a solution for retail investors. It says where does Hecta fit into all this? Is fair we establish their bears upon bears stacked individuals to get into better investment opportunities. So that's kind of thing, but this is how they solve it. So their platform will give direct and indirect access to investors to seed investment opportunities. Yeah, where else you can get these type of opportunities? Easy to start, easy to use, flexible to exit as needed. So if you, for some reason, you want to back out for whatever reason, they let you guys do that. It can be scaled to fit both passive and active investors. And then again, they let you guys know that Hecta is an investment vehicle co-owned by the Hectagon team, our investors and the community, so they want to make sure you guys feel part of it. But it's all tied together with the token. If you own the token, then you're part of this ecosystem. Allows users to participate in voting to dictate how the protocol will run in the future, and then of course how it's led by a great group of experienced people, venture capitalists, etc. And then again, if you guys, they have these great graphics that say like Web3 investment record as a co-founder and Hub Global Fund. The Hectagon team reviewed 112 projects in the fourth quarter of 2021 and made investment to 22 deals. Portfolio all-time high returns of 1,351. So it's great that they're able to get these returns. Current portfolio ROI is 145% after 10 months. And then you could see some of the things that they invested in. I think some of these, I've definitely heard of Money War. I think I made a video on this. Heroes and Empires. So it's kind of great. And then participant deals with more than 60 other investors. So it's great that a lot of people are participating in this. And then they have also this as well. This is some of the stuff that they've reviewed and invested in, and kind of how that's, kind of like what their pipeline is. And you guys want to learn more about that, they kind of show that. And it's good that they're super transparent about this. And you guys want to read about how that all works, you guys can. And then this is how this, how this offers an opportunity for Web3 projects and partners, and kind of how the token works and what you get with it. Obviously, we talked about the reward incentives, stake rewards, contribution rewards, but they also have other things like, how the public sale affects the whole ecosystem. So treasury reserve, investment treasury, and then also cap through convert T Hecta and P Hecta to Hecta. So if you guys want to learn more about that, you guys can. But cool. Again, all of this is to help build the future of this project, keep it healthy, and obviously they have a plan of a bunch of things in store, and obviously they want to keep the price of Hecta as healthy as possible. Here's some information about the team. Who are they? They're very transparent. The CEO and founder is Forbes Asian 30 under 30, 10 years of experience in investment, finance, startups. They've done a lot of great things. They know how to find great tech startups. They know how to find great blockchain projects. And it's great that they're the ones, the masterminds behind everything that this project is doing. So if you guys want to learn all about their experience, definitely check it out. If you want to learn about their investors, you can check it out. Learn about their advisors, you can check it out. If you want to learn more about Hecta specifically, you guys can as well. The P Hecta and T Hecta, which I kind of mentioned, is they said P Hecta and T Hecta are the two tokens that awarded to investors and team. So to investors, P Hecta, and to the team, T Hecta. So that's kind of just differentiates that. Each one of them kind of has their own like burn mechanism to them. So if you guys want to get into the specifics of that, you guys can. Again, they just put a lot of thought and effort into each of these mechanisms and made sure that this is as fair and as safe as possible. And again, they're showing you guys the contract here that's on the Binance Smart Chain. If you guys want to, see for yourself exactly how that works. Again, they're just kind of reiterating what's the value that they bring. No more token dumping risk, sustainable value, access to their cool network and user base, and so it's cool. And then if you guys have a project or want to nominate a project, they talk about how this is how you can apply. This is also just good as a potential investor, just to know like the type of projects that in here and their kind of their vetting process, which is really important. And one thing that I thought that was interesting is that they are looking at all markets in the crypto space. So that could be DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, HealthFi, SportFi, and NFTs, DAOs, literally anything. And then also across the different chains, Ethereum, BSC, Solana, AVAX, etc. So really cool. And again, if you guys are, I'm kind of glancing over a lot of these things, but if you guys want to learn more about it, they have some great graphs like this one, which kind of talks about this is you guys, how you guys could stake, how that's contributing to the treasury, and how that kind of feeds into this whole entire investment structure. But as the most important thing is obviously the DAO, which you guys are a part of, that you actually get a real say in what they do. And I think that's like really important and really unique. So Medium, that kind of walks you guys through this, etc. They have, again, this is the white paper, which is also their documentation, which kind of walks you through that as well. Definitely follow them on all their socials. They're definitely very excited about the progress that they've made. They literally launched a couple of days ago, so if you guys want to check that out, you guys can. They have a great video kind of hyping you guys up, but they're very active on Twitter, on socials, in the community, and want to make sure you guys understand what they're doing. They even have these great like recaps, like community calls, kind of giving you guys an update on everything that they're doing. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. They were just listed on CoinGecko a couple hours ago, so definitely check that out as well. Definitely an exciting time. So if you guys are interested in getting into a new project, like I said, crypto is definitely making a good comeback, so definitely check it out. So I'll put a link in the description. That's Hectagon. They have an awesome roadmap with a lot of exciting things. DAO voting for investment, mint redeemable NFTs, portfolio management, deals referral for community, auto investment performance, and then investment specialist feature. So I can't wait to learn more about this. Definitely check it out for yourself. I'm going to keep following this project for the long run. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.